For this video, we will show you the box contents of a Beam Communications PotsDOCK Extreme. This is your PotsDOCK Extreme in a bubble wrap, completely sealed. This is the included antenna. This is an AC plug pack in a box, a DC cable for power supply connections, a RAM mount, set of fuse. This is a ground wire connection, your installation card, your user manual. This is an extra serial number sticker, and this is a quick start guide. Okay, in this video we will show you what are the available connections on the PotsDOCK Extreme. Firstly, you have the SMA connector for your GPS antenna. Second connector here is your 3.5mm connector for your privacy handset. This silver connector is your TNC connector for your satellite antenna. This black microfit cable is for your power supply. This two thin brown and green wire is for your alert loop connections. The bottom of your docking station are a mini USB port and an RJ11 POTS interface port. So any analog phone you can connect into this port and use it as just like a standard analog phone interface. Okay, in this video we will show you how to dock a Beam Iridium 9575 Extreme handset into the Beam Communications PotsDOCK Extreme. So first thing you need to do is flip the handset to its bottom and remove the bottom cover, okay? And then lock the bottom cover in place so it stays open, okay? So that's how it looks like sideways. Okay, you see those gold connectors here? So it should always be like that. Okay. Next thing you need to do, put this on the side, is to make sure that this locking clip is open, right? That's in a closed position. Press down, flip up, and that's open. Okay. This is how it looks like on its side. Just flip it like that. That's closed. Press down, up, that's open. Now you're ready to dock a handset in the PotsDOCK Extreme. Okay. So with the bottom cover open, slide it down into the docking station and then push it down gently. Okay, don't have to push it hard, just gently, and then lock this down in. So if you hear a click, that means the handset is properly secured in the docking station. That's how it looks like in the front. I'll flick it over to the side. So as you can see, the locking clip is properly in place and holding the handset down. So that's how you dock an Iridium 9575 Extreme handset into the Beam Communications PotsDOCK Extreme. To undock the 9575 Extreme handset from the PotsDOCK Extreme, simply press this locking clip down and up, and then you can slide the handset out. So slightly up and then pull it up like that. So that's how you undock an Extreme handset from the PotsDOCK Extreme.